Traditionally, how we actually did all our training is through manuals we use, and these manuals are actually, whenever we wanted to look for something, we had to take it out and slowly open it. It's really hard for the staff to actually look for anything in this manual. Whereas nowadays, with Teachme Biz, all you have to do is actually look into your app. You actually can just search for the thing, and then it can just come out. So it's a lot faster, a lot easier. Everything is connected to the cloud storage. So I just have to do a click, and then just like that, and then in the store it's already updated. So it's really fast. So with Teachme Biz, really easy and user-friendly for everyone to use, and then all you have to do is just upload. There's not much language barrier because a lot of things are done visually in pictures and videos, so it's easy for them also to understand at the same time. So for franchise, not very different from how we do it with the principal. Normally we try to standardize everything with everyone. All they have to do is just to access from the tablet. So training is a lot easier now. And then also it's another cost to us, printing all the paper, all the logistic costs that come with it. This is a lot more friendly for everyone. Yeah, we save the environment at the same time. So 3 things I really love about Teachme Biz. Number 1, it's very user-friendly. Number 2, it's very efficient and cost-saving. Number 3, it's accessible for everyone all across the globe. So we believe that when we work together with Teachme Biz, we are able to grow our company throughout Malaysia as well as the whole world. Thank you.